didn't even see what she was doing.
I didn't know what it was doing either.
What's that?
Oh. What is it? I don't even have hooks on it though. I don't have hooks.
Nuh-uh.
Dude, there's no hooks on that thing.
Dude, there's hooks on.
There's no hooks on that thing. I'm free fishing. I got a rat. This thing, look, those hooks are all turned in. I only got one set of hooks on there. They're turned in. It's raptor. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. See how it's wrapped around her beak? It's not hooked her. Yeah, I'm gonna need some help.
That's all you.
No, you guys.
That's all you.
I was wrapped. See what I'm saying? Like, look, it's just wrapped. It wrapped around her beak.
That's got her.
Yeah, kind of, but not really. I mean, it doesn't have hooks on it. There's no. It's not sharp. See, I don't think it's got her. It's wrapped still. You can cut the line.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut the line.
That's still got a wrap.
No, that's.
Okay. See what
It's
I'm saying?
wrapped.
Yeah. See?
Yep.
I've never actually seen one try to eat it. You got it?
Yeah, I think so. I just don't want that.
Well, I'm not going to let go of it because it's going to go nut. Oh, look at them claws on it. Its claws all up in the carpet. Here, get all that other line out.
That's the.
Uh-huh.
Let's see, she's out.
Yeah. I mean, we tried this one time before and it worked. You ready?
Yeah, do it.
Air release. Gotta go air release. Oh, look at that air release. Wow. I just gotta show. It's ridiculous. Like, I was like watching it go, but it was so high. I was like, well, it's not gonna like, and all of a sudden it just like.
I was like, what?
And I'm like, well, even if it goes after it, there's no hooks, no big deal. It got wrapped. See, the line was wrapped in her mouth. It was sexy dog. Mega Dawg catches freaking. That's the only one I've ever actually in my entire life had one actually hit a bait. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, usually they just go up there and try to.
Yeah, they go up there and see that it's.
I wasn't expecting that.
It's a bait, and then like, then they back on.
Oh my gosh. That's why I wasn't. That's why I wasn't worried about like. I'm like, oh, it'll let go. It don't have hooks on it, and then it just went nuts and wrapped it.